Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we got a new piece of kit on the farm. I suppose you've already seen by the thumbnail, but yeah, we've got a new tractor here. It is blue. We're not getting any green ones. I want to get a green one though, John Deere, but yeah. The old father said no, it's sticking with the New Holland. So yeah, she is a TS135A. Yeah, New Holland as usual. So we bought this one because basically we've got the big T7 with a front linkage that does all the drilling and ploughing, but we wanted to get a new one, another one, so we wouldn't have to keep swapping the plough over and the drill. So this one I believe will go on the seed drill, and the T7 will go on the drill, like when we're sowing and drilling, and we won't have to keep swapping them over. But yeah, this is as I said, a TS135A. It's a 2005 model, I think. Yeah. So what? It's 17-year-old. Yeah. So born. Yeah. 2015-year-old tractor. It's in good nick. So yeah, so we've got the front linkage on. So we'll put a front weight on it, and it'll go ploughing. Got the weight over there. I can show you that in a minute. But yeah, it's a nice tractor. I've got front spools, but we haven't got anything with spools that can go on the front. So yeah, I'm not sure if we use those, but they're on there. We got, my brother's put his Grassman sticker on his no farm, no future, and so yeah, it's very nice. Yeah, and then on the back end, I've got two spools. And yeah, ideally we would like 3, but oh well. Good nick. And then we got these levers here. These are to do with the spools and the front linkage. So you turn them one way to make the front linkage work, and the spools at the front. And then the other way does spools at the back. But yeah, I'm not really sure on that. My brother knows all this. Apparently it's his tractor. He's moved on from the T6020 and moved on to this one. So yeah, you might see a bit of work on it, but that'll be on my days off or so. Be on the muck cart and stuff. But yeah, it was mostly my brother be driving it, I suspect. I'll jump on it when I can. But yeah, so we've got brother's number plate in there. Typical. Anyway, we'll have a look inside. So yeah, he got his carpet in there already. Yeah, so it's near enough the same as the 6020. Yes. So we've got dashboard and all that. The gears are the same. So you got A, B, C, D, and then what you got? You've got 5 gears on each range. So that's, you pull that back. That's A and D, and when it's up there, it's C and D. Then you got your hand throttle. Spools. Let's say it's only got 2 spools. You might be able to put another one on. Got the gaps there. Yeah. Got your, then comes your thingy, bottom thing. And your PTO, your 1500 and whatnot. And down here you got you got your forward drive. That button there, see that? That button there, that one, that puts it in automatic. So you can have it in automatic and it will go up the ranges by itself. So I'll show you that in a minute. What's that? Diff lock and all that down here. I'm not quite sure, but yeah. Well, yeah, it's a nice tractor and all. So yeah. Yeah, I'll stick you on my mount, go on the window, and we'll take it for a drive. Yeah, we'll just start her up here. See what? I'll have the door open actually, so you can hear what it sounds like. That's the other door, and that side of the door's open. Is off white. Is. So yeah, sound a bit different to the Super Funny. Yeah, that's the sound a bit different. That's the Chess 135. And yeah, like I said, you got your gears here. So if you press this button here, put them in auto, you look at the thing here, flashes, and you have your auto comes up down there, and then we're in 9 at the moment. You might just shift that down to 6 to start off with. And I'll put you on the window mount so you can see, and we'll take for a little drive. Right, hopefully you see alright there. Just reverse out here. Turning lock in the test of it. And let's just use an auto lock. Should go up again. There we go. I'm not sure if you can see, but he's going up the gears. Feel like that, it's going up the gears. More turn around. Yeah. You might be able to use the power there, and that's what this will be going on. Well, we've got the mains. So the power probably goes on there, goes to the mains. Right. Should see it go up the gear now. Slow down, we go down, go back down 9, 10, 11, 12. Right, we just stop in a minute and we'll put it on. Yeah, so that's the tractor. What else I've got to tell you? Yeah, if you watch the TV video, we did TV test, we passed on that. I'll probably be doing an end of, well, I'll do an end of year video of all this, so that'll be quite interesting. Yeah, we've got obviously New Year coming up. There'll be lots more videos to come on this new tractor. Right, so yeah, we'll stick it out of automatic. Yeah, neutral, handbrake, turn off. So yeah. So yeah, just give you a once around again. Nice tractor and all. See that? Good old New Holland. You can't go wrong with a New Holland. Yeah. So that's the new tractor, folks. Hope you enjoyed him. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already, give it a like. If you got any questions about the tractor, put it down in the comment thingy, pin comment, whatever you want to call it, and I'll see if I can answer them. Yeah, I'll get back to you on those. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. It's totally free. It's that red button down below. By New Year, I want to see if I can get like to 200 subscribers. So yeah, I'm on, what am I now, 185 or something like that. 180, I think. Yeah, so don't forget, give it a like. Really helps the channel out. And then see if more people can see it then. Yeah. So yeah, give it a like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next one. Cheers all, bye. Now I forgot to show how many hours it's done. It says done, if you can see that. You probably can't. You can. It's done what? 3,406 hours. Yeah, and it's a 2005 model. So that's pretty good. 3,406. Yeah, that's pretty good for a 2005 tractor. So yeah.